Okay, guys. The balance sheet of A, B, and C sharing profits in the proportion of capital stood as follows as on 31st December 2005. So you have your creditors, general reserves, A capital, B capital, and C's capital account. So all the other assets are also given. On that date, C retires from the firm, and for this purpose, the goodwill of the firm is to be valued at 18,000. Now, if you see here, the goodwill value has been directly given in the question, and that amount we will take the base, and we have to calculate the share of C. He is retiring, so we have to calculate the share of C, and we need to settle him off. So that is one adjustment. And stock has to be revalued at 20,000. Earlier it is 15,000, which means there is an appreciation. Then machinery at 15,000. Earlier it was 25,000. Now it is 15,000. Matlab there is a depreciation. Then fixtures. Earlier it is 10,000. Now, earlier it is 2,000. Now it's been 10,000. There is an appreciation of 8,000. And reserve of 3,000 for doubtful debts, which has to be directly subtracted from your debtors and also be taken care in your revaluation account. Pass the journal entries to the given effect to the above and show the balance sheet of A, B after C's retirement. So let's start the question, ma. So guys, as I already told you, all the other adjustments will be same except for the purpose of your goodwill. So let me first start off by calculating the share of C. So the old ratio, in fact, the old ratio between A, B, and C. I don't think it is being given. Did they give the old ratio, ma? In the proportion of the capital stood. Matlab, it is 20 is to 15 is to 15. Are you understanding, guys? 20 is to 15 is to 15, which is again in 5 on side will go 4 is to 3 is to 3. This is your old ratio. Am I clear? Hello, everyone?
Yes.
Right? So, 1 minute. This is your old ratio. Now, goodwill of the firm. Goodwill of the firm is equals to how much they told 18,000. Okay. Now 18,000 is the whole goodwill, but share of C is equals to 18,000. What is his share, ma? 3 by how much total? 6, 3 by 10. Therefore, how much is that? How much is that, ma? 18,000 into 3 by 10 gives me 5,400. Clear? So I need to take this. Now I have to divide 5,400 in, old ratio, whatever you have between, what do you say, C and A and B, or you can even find out the gaining ratio. But here in the question, the gaining ratio part has not been clearly given. The old ratio, the new ratio is missing in the question. Therefore, I will consider my old ratio itself as my gaining ratio and divide between A and B. Okay. So the entry, what you have to write here is continuing partners capital account debit to retiring partner. Who are my continuing partners? A capital. So you have to write A account debit, B account debit to C account. To C, we know why. How much are we doing it? Tell me. 5,400 we have to divide. Okay. So I will anyway write 5,400. So please divide 5,400 in the ratio 4 is to 3 and tell me the answer. Yes, ma'am. 5,400 into
3,085.
85. Any points you're getting, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
How much?
0.71.
7 matlab you can round it off to 3,086, ma.
Okay, ma'am.
86. And for B?
2,314.
Clear, guys, everyone? Hello? Students, anyone has any doubts here? Guys, here we have no information regarding the gaining ratio and we can't even find out because new ratio between A and B are missing. So I'm considering the old ratio and continuing it with the entry. Continuing the entry. Am I clear here? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So let's start off the other parts. Now we have the adjustments to be made for the revaluation. Your stock has been valued at 20,000, machinery has been valued at 15,000, and fixtures has been valued at 10,000. So a reserve of 3,000 has to be created. So let's do all the entries now. So for machinery, there are depreciation. So to machinery, the amount is how much, ma? It is 10,000 if I'm not wrong. Right? And to doubtful debt provision to provision, directly they only gave the figure as 3,000. Also your stock and your fixtures have been appreciated. So I can write by stock as 5,000 and by fixtures there is an increase of 8,000 here. So 8,000 we have done. Double entry has to be completed in your balance sheet. Come here to the balance sheet and write your debtors. Earlier it was 35,000 minus 3K. That would be giving me 32,000. Right? Then I have my stock, which is 20,000. And my machinery, they only directly gave the numbers, all the figures, 15,000. And my fixtures, they told to increase to 10,000. So all these things have been completed for the double entry. Now come here. What else is there here? Yeah, we completed all the other things. Now let's start off completing all the other things. Let's see, is there any revaluation profit or loss, or we have to also open the capital accounts of partners. A's capital is 20,000, B's capital is 15,000. Come here. By balance brought down is 20,000 and 15,000. Even C's capital also is showing the same thing by balance brought down is 15,000. Right now, then you also have the reserves which are there, ma. Now, guys, this reserves, whatever 10,000 you're seeing, it belongs to A, B, and C. So please divide it in the ratio 4:3:3 and tell me the answer. 10,000 in the ratio 4:3:3. I will give it to A, B, and C. So by reserves, here also I have to write by reserves. Because his share is there. Tell me the answer, ma. Till then, I will complete the double entry of my, goodwill account, because goodwill, I already told continuing partners account debit to, retiring partner. So come here and write to C. Amount is how much? You have 3,086 and 2,314. The same amount I have to take here also by A, 3,026. Sorry.
Can you tell the reserves calculation again?
Yeah, ma, 1 minute. It is 10,000 in the ratio of 4:3:3. By B, it is how much, ma? 2,314. Yes, ma. 10,000. Amount is 10,000. 10,000 in the ratio 4:3:3. And 4 by 10, that would give me 4,000, no? Anyway, so it is 4,000, 3,000, 3,000 if I'm not wrong. 4,000, 3,000, This will also be 3,000. Yes, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So this is the reserves calculation. So we are almost done. Also, guys, understand one thing. We can close the bank account also simultaneously. I'll tell you why. Because whatever amount which has to be paid to see guys, on retirement, what happens? We need to settle the outgoing partner. Okay, but he didn't say in the question that we are settling him off. So we didn't say that we are paying it to C. So whenever it is like that, we need to transfer it to C's loan account. Am I clear, ma? Because we will, it is as good as we are taking C loan from C and we will settle it off afterwards. Are we clear? Hello? So because they are not telling it, we can close the cash account also, or else if they're telling we are paying him immediately, then lastly we should close the cash account or bank account. But now we can close off. So I will write to balance brought down. The amount will not change. It is 13,000 here, and the closing account amount also will be 13,000 by balance brought down. This will also be 13,000 because there is no other adjustments which we have. So this is 13,000 here and this is 13,000 here. Okay. Now please calculate revaluation profit or loss. If you see here, we don't have any revaluation profit or loss. 13,000 here and here also 13,000. No loss or no profit. Are we clear, everyone? So please calculate the balancing figures of partners to balance brought down, sorry, carried down balancing figure. Tell me the figures, ma. Total is 18,000. Yeah. Yes. 24,000 minus 3,086 is how much? Students. 20,000.
20,914.
20,914. Right. For here, ma. 18,000 minus 2,314.
15,686.
86. So let's take all these figures here. So A's capital is 20,914 and B's capital is 15,686. Huh? B's capital. Now calculate like that. C also balancing figure, but this has to be transferred to C's loan. Remember this, we are not paying karke, I am transferring to loan account. Are we clear, everyone? Else it will be to bank, the settlement figure. Clear? Everyone? Tell me the figure, ma.
23,400.
23,400 here. 23,400 here. Not to forget 23,400 here. And here we will write C's loan because it's the liability 23,400. It is nowhere capital now. Please understand that. Okay. Also, bank account may balance we didn't touch it. So it is 13,000 as it is I'm taking. And here we also have creditors, which is worth of how much, ma? Here, creditors is worth of 30,000. So please tally. Your balance sheet should tally. How much more? Liability side and asset side?
Ma'am, asset side it's 90,000.
Okay, liability side also it will come. $1,400 plus 20,000. 53. 73, 70.
Yes, ma'am, it's 90,000.
Good. Over. Any doubts, anyone? So here we end the problem on retirement.